Today is 5th of May 2020. My name is Mahmood Qureshi, teacher of PS Sheikh Mohalla, clubbed with BPS Kandiwala. Our topic is exercise of Bengal Sailor of 8th class. The exercise is begun from the first question. The question is, who is the speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker in the poem? Answer: it is the poetess who is the speaker of the poem. Question number 2. How are Bengals described in the first stanza of the poem, and who are these Bengals for? In the first stanza, Bengals are described as shining lords to the temple fair. Delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circle of light, lustrous token of radiant leaves. These Bengals are for happy daughters and happy vivis. The poet was, question number 3 is, the poet was different smiles for the Bengals. What are these? Answer is, the smiles used in the poem for Bengal are mountain mist, field of sunlit corn, rainbow tinted circles. Question number 4. Name of the different colors of Bengals mentioned in the poem. What do these colors represent? Answer: silver and bilio, purple, gold, flaccid grey, bright, lustrous, shining colors. These colors represent the different stage of woman, because at different stages different colors of Bengals are being used. Question number 5. The word some has been repeated for a purpose. What is it? Some words use it for the representation of Bengals, as they add the beauty of their barriers and serve different purposes on different occasions. As a woman passes through different stages of life from childhood to old age, the color and design of Bengals also change accordingly. Explain the following lines. Some are meet for a maiden's wrist, silver and bilio as the mountain mist. Answer: these lines describe the color of the Bengals suitable for maiden's wrist, that is, suitable for unmarried girls. According to these lines, silver and bilio colored Bengals are suitable for the ornamentation of unmarried girls. आगे है, read the poem once again. Fill in the blanks as in the poem Bengal Sailors. Sun, corn, flaccid grey, rainbow tinted. Number 1. Bengals are said to be as dash circles of light. Bengals के बारे में कहा गया कि वो dash circles of light हैं. कैसे? Rainbow tinted circles of light. Bengals को कहा गया है rainbow tinted circles of light. बाद नंबर 2. Some are like fields of dash. कुछ dash के fields की तरह हैं. Some are like fields of dash. Sunlit corn. Some Bengals are purple and gold. कुछ चूड़ियाँ पर्पल और गोल्ड dash. क्या आएगा? फ्लैकेट ग्रे, कुछ पर्पल, गोल्ड और फ्लैकेट ग्रे हैं। पीपल बाय दीज बैंगल्स फ्रॉम ए डैश, लोग खरीदते हैं इन चूड़ियों को एक डाई से। किससे खरीदते हैं? बैंगल सेलर से, चूड़ियाँ बेचने वाले से चूड़ियाँ लोग खरीदते हैं।